Auction is sponsoring the Pee-wees today, and Terry Sharp and Carol Snyder provided the candy. So please come up and get your certificate for your picture of Pee-wees.
Yeah, well, except for all the times I fell asleep. Yeah. 12:30 this morning, it was hitting me hard. As long as I kept eating my carrots, I was like, hey, the second I stopped eating carrots, I said, okay, eat carrots. Yeah. I used to eat nibs, but I use them too, the sugar and crap, so I thought, oh, we'll go with carrots this time.
JC, your time is a 61.595. 61.